I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mini Cooper JCW versus the Golf GTI. Let's dive into their performance. The Mini Cooper JCW boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 228 horsepower for a thrilling drive. On the other hand, the Golf GTI steps up with 241 horsepower from its own 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. Both vehicles offer impressive acceleration and incredibly responsive handling, making every journey an exciting experience for drivers who love a sporty feel. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Mini Cooper JCW is known for its incredibly stiff suspension, providing that iconic go-kart-like feel. It's incredibly engaging on twisty roads. The Golf GTI, however, offers a more refined and balanced ride, making it a comfortable choice for daily commutes while still being very capable when you want to have some fun. Both cars excel in delivering precise steering feedback and strong braking performance, ensuring confidence behind the wheel. Moving inside, the Mini Cooper JCW presents a distinctly premium and driver-focused cockpit, featuring unique styling elements that truly stand out. It's a cozy, engaging space. The Golf GTI, in contrast, provides noticeably more passenger and cargo space, making it a more practical option for those needing extra room for friends or gear. Both cars come equipped with advanced infotainment systems and a comprehensive suite of safety features, ensuring a connected and secure driving experience. Considering value, the Mini Cooper JCW generally comes with a higher starting price, reflecting its premium branding and specialized performance tuning. The Golf GTI, on the other hand, often presents a compelling balance of performance, practicality, and overall value, making it a very attractive option for many buyers. Both cars deliver exhilarating driving experiences, but cater to slightly different priorities. Be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw, focused sportiness or a more versatile, well-rounded hot hatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.